Hello, take two. What to do? The first time the net didn't support us only. So we've come back and we're trying again. And we've also requested our respective internets to please support us for the next few minutes so that we can enjoy our life. Because it's a beautiful evening, a beautiful day, and we need to have some poetic justice with Prashant Gupta, who has written beautiful poems in lockdown, and he's written poems since a very long time. So, want to know all about the poems, all about his movies, and thank you everyone for being here. Let's see if he's here, and let's send him a request. Uh, hey Anita, hi, how are you? Hello Smart Hussein, hello Nits Jane. Hi Pia. So I shall tell you all, Anita is the director with whom I did Girl Talk, and our Girl Talk is going to release really soon. Hi Pia. Hello Harsh. Shu Mehra 111. Hello Nitin Manglani. Kia I. Hello Akash. And I still can't see प्रशांत गुप्ता. आज तो जेन्युइनली इंटरनेट हमें टेस्ट कर रहा है. स्मार्ट हुसैन, हाय, हेलो ए शर्मा. Okay, shall I just see what's with Prashant? So let's. Hi Ankit, hello Meme, hello George. Smart Hussein, I'm good. How are you? How are all of y'all enjoying your lockdowns? I know now it's a semi-lockdown, but now is the time when we need to really take care and be more cautious. So how are y'all going ahead? Vikas.Gotham 786, I'm good. How have you been? Hello Swami underscore Dada, and I don't know where Prashant is. He is online, but I can't see him online, so I can't send him a request. Yes, Mr. Kanhaiya Alwani, we need to be strong and we need to be positive in our hearts, for sure. I agree with you. Hey Shivani, how are you? So people all should follow Shivani Sawan. She makes these amazing food recipes. She also teaches theatre, and the recipes that she keeps making, it's very tempting. Few of them I've tried, especially the chicken dalia. And now next I want to try the turai chutney that she's made. It's been on my list, so you all should follow her. And I'm going to get her soon for a live web. She's going to talk about her theatre, about the food that she's been cooking. And Prashant, where are you? Okay. Babal Yogesh Suresh. Thank you for the beautiful compliment. Vivek Kapoor, hi. How's your net working? My net is working, but I really can't see Prashant. You're welcome, Shivani. Thank you for sharing the beautiful recipes. Yeah, it keeps us tempted to try something in the kitchen. Hello, Sanchit K974. Hello, Hugged Design Studios. HYGGED. How do you pronounce it? Hiked or hugged? And Prashant is here. Prashant, where were you till now? I'm telling you should move to 7-star. 7-star is. They paid me to promote them here, but it's really good. And we sent him a request, and we are waiting for Prashant. Hello, Prashant. How are you?
Is this better?
Much better.
Okay, lovely. Thank God. I don't know what happened there. Sorry, everyone. Here we are. Here we are.
So all of them have been waited for you live. Do you want to just tell them hellos and hi's before we get started again?
Yes.
Because they've been
Let
right
me
here
see.
waiting
There's
for
a
you.
Hunter Singh, Cry Master Preet. You are so cute. I hope you're talking about me. Um, Akshay,
I'm sure they're
Vivek
talking
Kapoor.
about you.
Much
They're
better.
here
Yeah,
for
Vivek, much
you.
better. No, I think most people are proposing to you and talking to you, and they want to give you diamonds and gifts. And SRK
But
and
I want.
Nihal.
Okay, Prashant, tell me how's lockdown going?
Lockdown's going well, but the truth is that we're all waking up now to this new reality, and a lot of people say I can't wait till life goes back to normal, and I hate that because I think we can enter a new normal, and by new normal I
True.
don't mean let's all carry sanitizers around and wear masks, but if we can all better care of the world, um, and Ahira Mansoor, Nitesh Baba. There's a lot of people here. I'm happy to see them. And I hope we enter a new normal, a better world. You know, a world that is cleaner. People don't take life for granted. Um, that's what I'm looking for. But the lockdown is treating me pretty well. I hope it's treating you well.
Yeah, I'm learning a lot of things. I'm meeting a lot of people online. Let me specify online because I'm not going out to meet people. And like you said, like
Yeah.
we've taken a lot of things in life for granted. It could be the smallest thing with the help that we have at home, with the staff, or it could be going out with a friend for a coffee, which is usually something we take for granted. It's today we realize the value of everything. And like Kevin Palan is
Everything.
saying, that's life, adjusting with the new era.
Absolutely, we should be lucky we survived. Well said.
So if you could recite a nice poem on lockdown again, because at that time, because of the internet, we did lose you, and there are a lot more new people here who would love to hear the poem.
I'll uh, I'll recite a rather longer poem because this one is the one that I made a video out of, and it went viral. It went everywhere, and I would love for all your friends and followers to follow me on Instagram so they can see my poetry more often. And this one is called Sahi Samay because everybody talks about their right time in life. Sahi samay aayega, sahi samay aayega, to ye karunga, wo karungi. So I wrote this, and it's very Corona centric. So I hope you all enjoy. सही समय तो आने दो, सही समय तो आने दो. क्या है ये सही समय? कब आएगा ये सही समय? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि ये आते ही चला, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि ये आता ही नहीं. मैं जिस किसी से मिलता हूँ कहते हैं कभी सही समय आया था, या एक दिन सही समय आएगा. पर ये समय जो इस समय है, क्या तुम इस सही समय को जिए? परिवार को कुछ वक्त दिए, किसी की मदद किए, क्या तुम इस सही समय को जिए? प्यासे शरीर को पानी दिए, रूह की तृप्ति के लिए कुछ किए, क्या तुम इस सही समय को जिए? किसी को हौसला दिए, ईश्वर से प्रार्थना किए, क्या तुम इस सही समय को जिए? अपने सपनों को रोशनी दिए, उन सपनों के लिए कुछ नया किए, क्या तुम इस सही समय को जिए? माफी मांगे, किसी को क्षमा किए, क्या एक बार शुक्रिया अदा किए, क्या तुम इस सही समय को जिए? सही समय तो आने दो, सही समय तो आने दो. वो सही समय ही था, ये भी सही समय ही है. तो जाओ जियो इस सही समय को और जीते जी जियो रोजमर्रा के जीवन को. रोज रोज क्यों मरते हो, रोज रोज क्यों मरते हो, मर जाना एक दिन. सही समय तो आने दो, सही समय तो आने दो.
Wow. यही
And
तो
that
है.
is the truth of life. People are dying every single day, in the which is a dichotomy. It's an irony. So essentially, what I'm trying to say is just die the day you're meant to die. उसका सही समय आने दो. लेकिन जब तक जिंदा हो, यही सही समय है और उस सही समय को सही तरह से जियो. And if we can learn to do all of this and take care of Mother Earth, I don't think we'll ever have a pandemic again. The only pandemic we need is love.
Which is something which easily can happen, but we again take it for granted and not really make a point to spread love, be it with the plants, animals, people around. It's always taken for granted. But like you said, सही
But
समय
that's
आने दो
why,
और जब आओ उसे enjoy करो.
huh? And that's why this chat between you and me is called poetic justice, because I mean, think about it. 7 billion people have been house arrest.
Yes.
One virus you can't even see with your naked eye. Not a missile, not a nuclear weapon. God Himself coming down. A small dust particle put everybody into their homes. What does that tell
And
us? So
you
the
know,
point is, go ahead, go ahead.
the point is,
No, the point is that God can't be seen. This virus can't be seen. So let's not look for proof of what can be seen and cannot be seen. We've all been shown our true reality and of how small we are, and there are greater lessons to be learned, and let's learn them.
Let's learn them, abide them, and let them stay. Because, many a times when we'll have the new normalcy, there'll be a lot of people who will also forget the lessons learned. And then I hope, because I
They will.
always
They
believe
will.
universe keeps teaching you till you don't learn it. So you better learn it the very first time and practice it, is what they say. So Rinkesh is
Absolutely. And this
saying,
was a
you're
mass
right,
course.
brother.
Hi,
Totally.
Rinkesh.
And
Thank
there are
you.
a lot of
And
people.
Neil saying, does love exist? Yes, it does. It does. Love does exist. And if you don't think so, then you're surrounded by the wrong people, my friend. And I hope you find the right people because love does exist.
So last time we lost you when we questioned you, when was it that you tapped the poetic side? So I'm gonna do a take two with you on the same question. When did you tap your poetic side?
In college, I tapped the poetic side. I began to become very observant of the world. I began to become emotional towards the opposite sex. Um, and I started getting good at our language. Urdu and Hindi was really coming to me like it was just flowing into my life. And after a lot of people around the world read my poetry, then I felt like I should keep writing and writing and writing. And I don't write professionally in the sense of monetizing it. I write it when a certain voice pops into my head and I just put it on paper. Sometimes I forget what I wrote. If you ask me to recite everything you know, I can't. I need the paper in front of me. It comes to me, I put it on paper, and it's done. So it's now been 15, 20 years since I've been writing. And I'm also working on a book.
You did mention the last time we lost you that you did write a book and then you sent that book. So if you could just repeat that whole thing for us because it was like fill in the blanks for us then.
I wrote a book in college called Ux, which was also a title of one of Mr. Bachchan's movies. And when he sent me a letter of how much he loved the book, it was a big motivation for me to keep writing. And plus, he's my idol as an actor. I love Amitabh Bachchan as an actor. And people ask me, when did the poetry bug bite you? When did the acting bug bite you? So for me, it all revolves around my college days in New York. Um,
Okay.
but the 90s, we grew up on the Khans.
Yeah.
In America, also, I don't know if you're familiar with this, but Salman, Shah Rukh, Amir Khan, all three of them, and Akshay Kumar and Mr. Bachchan, these five stars, they used to do their world tours and concerts. Okay, so living in New York and LA, I've seen all of them live, and I think that's when like the whole aspect of acting and being starstruck and becoming a desiring to become a star really hit me. I've been going to Salman Khan's show since I was 9 years old.
Okay.
Yeah, you do you know Salman Khan's first world tour? Okay,
Not
so
really.
I don't know how old you are, but I was 9 at the time, and the year was 1990. And Maine Pyar Kiya had just come out 1 year prior. Okay, so Salman Khan and Amir Khan were the two new star kids and boys on the block. Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak and Maine Pyar Kiya.
And मैंने
And
प्यार किया.
Mr. Bachchan just did a film called Hum. So Jumma Chumma was the toast of the town. So Mr. Bachchan did a world tour called Jumma Chumma in concert. He was the main attraction, but the two smaller attractions were Salman Khan and Amir Khan. Okay, so I've seen Salman Khan when he was just one film old, uh, two films old. He did a film before Maine Pyar Kiya also,
Yeah,
uh,
बीवी हो तो ऐसी.
Bivi Hota Aisi. So only two films or three films old, and he came onto the stage on a motorcycle. And the whole Maine Pyar Kiya music was playing, tan, 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 tan. and he was, he was a young boy at the time. So all of the 80s and 90s, watching these people was what made me want to become an actor. And I've been watching the films of um, Dilip Kumar, also because my father really introduced me to really good cinema. Um, and a couple of months ago, I got a message from Salim Khan.
On your poem?
So I don't know if you know this. Not on my poem. I wrote him a letter because I was watching a lot of his interviews and I just fell in love with him. I mean, this is a family that the world loves and the world hates, depending on which side of the coin you're on. And I'm very neutral that way. I don't know them personally, but I love how Salim Khan uncle speaks.
Yeah, true.
So
He has so much to
I know
teach when
somebody,
you hear him.
yeah, he's such a man. He's such a wise man, you know. And there's a filmmaker and a writer who's a very dear friend of mine who worships Salim Sahab, Jaideep Sen. So
Okay.
through Jaideep, I sent a note to Salim Sahab, and Salim Sahab responded. So yeah, I've started painting and drawing as well, which I could never do before. I sing. I'm writing a lot. I'm blogging, and I have a few films releasing very soon. I've got 3 more films complete and ready for release.
Oh, wow.
So I'm very excited about that. Yeah, one is a
So tell me, who's your favorite poet?
one is a Hollywood film, and 2 are Hindi films.
And they all are going to be
My
releasing
favorite
online?
poet, my films,
Yeah?
my films will all release online. I don't see them going to theaters because theaters are closed the next 3-4 months. And even when they open, they'll open for the bigger crowds and the bigger a Akshay Kumar, a Salman Khan film. But I'll be happy if my film goes directly to Amazon or Netflix films, provided they make money and have viewership. But I'm very excited because luckily I've got 3 more features and 1 more short film ready for release. So I'm excited about that. And I hope to go back onto the floors at least by October, if not before. And you asked who's my favorite poet.
Yes.
I've loved Gulzar Saab style forever. I know it sounds like a very cliche answer because there are 100 poets in our country who are great, but I love his poetry. I love how beautiful he can talk about um, a, not just a flower, but the flower pot, or the cloud, or even a balti we take a bath in. He can poeticize anything. He can poeticize anything, which is what I try to do. I find poetry in simple things. I find poetry in simple things. Otherwise, if you're too deep, you can't connect to the masses. If you can't connect to people who can connect with you, then there's no form of the poet. There's no point to the poetry. I can't use language that you won't understand. I don't want to impress you with my words. I want to impress you with my thoughts.
So, everyone, I have been following Prashant and I keep reading his poems that he keeps posting. And, like he said, they are something that it's as if I'm having a conversation with him where he's expressing through his poems. So, after our live, you can follow him and read all the beautiful poems he's been writing and he's going to write. And he's also promised in our last live, which was just a few minutes before we came to this live, that he's going to write on rain. You've promised, you remember, right?
I promise you that, and you're gonna be the first to get it.
So, everyone, he's just put in his handle at PRASHANTTGUPTHA is the Insta handle you have to follow to read all the beautiful poems and to be posted about all the movies that are going to release. You were talking about movies. You are a digital king. 3 movies are releasing, and you have done so many movies. And during lockdown, you have so many movies that are released. Special Ops was just a little before the lockdown, which was trending during the
Yes, yes.
lockdown. So you are anyways a digital king, and 6 minus 5 equal to 2, which has reached like 25 million views, if
Yeah,
I'm correct.
25 million views. Yeah, and
So
my
digital
Kishore
king,
Kumar cover. Uh, yeah, well, I don't know about digital king because the paychecks don't look like I'm a king. Uh, but it's good to know that I've got so much out there. In fact, I just came to know that my first film in India, which was a horror film called Kalo, it was released about
okay.
8 years back. It's got 41 million views on YouTube.
Wow. So 25, 45, special ops trending just before
Yeah.
you. Pandemic is.
So I'm happy about all of this.
And your Kishore Kumar cover. So can you sing a little for our beautiful viewers here? They would love to hear.
They'd love to hear me sing.
Yeah.
What do they want to hear? Kishore Kumar. Acha, I'll sing a few lines of that same Kishore Kumar song, and then I want you all to
Yes.
go onto YouTube and find the song. The song was Ruk Jana Nahi Tu Kahin Har Ke, which is basically what I want to tell people: don't stop, don't lose, don't give up, and I dedicate this today to Sushant. He's gone; he won't be listening, but to all the people who love Sushant and to Dream, please know that the biggest movie stars in India reached a point in his life where even he lost hope. So you all don't lose hope and don't follow a blind dream and assume that that pinnacle will make you happy and fulfilled. Wherever you are today, find your happiness, find your fulfillment. It's today, it's right now, it's inside, it's not out there. सूरज देख रुक गया है सूरज देख रुक गया है तेरे आगे झुक गया है ला रा रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही जाइए YouTube पे देखिए मजा आएगा अभी अभी पूरा गाना गा दूंगा तो
So
YouTube पे कोई नहीं जाएगा YouTube पे जाइए enjoy it it's there under Prashant Gupta on my page I was fortunate Saregama released it and for Saregama to release something of mine was for me and don't give up don't lose hope
so Aftab Khan underscore 3 saying kya baat hai boss.
thank you Aftab thank you Aftab
Khan saying wow. Irshad 2K RF Ashish Suraj Gupta or Dr. Saju, everyone is saying hi to you. And also, tell me one thing, you're an expressionist. You sing, you paint, you write, you act. What do you do in your spare time?
uh, spare time one thing I've started doing which I wasn't doing before meditating um, and even in this rain Shweta I go down I work out every day um, I I play cards with the family I I do a lot of that thing which that person mentioned just a few seconds ago which I won't yeah that keeps me busy as well um, yeah all the good stuff all the good stuff I meditate I pray I speak to you I speak to family
And also, you're watching a lot of stuff which is very uplifting. for introducing me to Brain Brown. I mean, the video when you mentioned that one should watch it on Netflix, and it definitely did change my life when I heard her on
Yes.
Netflix. And you watch a lot of stuff and you keep posted, like you tell all of us what to watch, and it's all uplifting stuff. And you also did a poem recital about somebody where, I'm sorry, I'm forgetting the name, Tim, the movie where you played a double role, uh, that
Yes.
you,
Yes. I did a movie called Tu, which was a short film.
yeah.
And I wrote a poem in there, which I don't remember by heart, but that's also on YouTube, and it's a beautiful short. I don't know. I want to see I want to see people inspired. I want them to dream and be able to fulfill their dreams and never lose their sanity. Uh, acting is the channel through which I want to reach people and then touch their lives and make them feel good about themselves. So acting
So
is a
you,
means to an end and not the end all.
so is
The means, and I'll tell
sahi
you why.
samay.
Because the end is not you and I think it is. The end is that we're all gonna die someday.
Absolutely.
You know. So it's all about the means. The means to an end means hopefully if I can plant a seed in Shweta's heart, or if I can ignite something in Shweta, then as far as Shweta is concerned, I have done of my part. So that is my means to Shweta's heart and life. But Shweta will take it forward to somebody else. So there is no
Yeah, it's
end
like a pay
essentially. The end is
forward.
I will die and you will die. It's a paid forward. It's all about the means. There is no end, but the ultimate end.
Fair underscore Sal 392 Pathan is saying so beautiful. Yes, Faisal, we agree with you. And we agree with Prashant on everything that he's been saying. He is actually also a motivational speaker, which I've forgotten to mention, because you motivate through your poems, you motivate through your writing, and you also motivate through the stuff that you watch, and you tell people, you pay it forward by saying, do watch it, it's gonna change your life. So tell me, Prashant,
Imagine,
you
yeah.
imagine.
Go ahead, go ahead.
No,
I'm saying,
no, we are
imagine
lagging. That's
how
why
much,
there are times.
imagine how much of a better world it's going to be if each of us can smile and have a will to live a better life.
Totally agree on that, because what is better than smiling and being together and being happy? Neil Sen is asking, Prashant Bhaiya, do you like comedy movies? Any favorite Hindi comedy?
Uh, yes, if you guys haven't already, go back and go back and just watch all of Charlie Chaplin's silent films.
Since we're talking about movies, Prashant, you've been a part of Neerja, Tashkent Files. They're all based on, true incidents, and they all have like become cult movies. So was it a conscious decision to be a part of these movies, or you were just like at the right place at the right time?
They happened to me. Um, Shweta, to be very honest with you, I'm not very satisfied with my journey yet. You and I can both relate to the fact that there's a lot of young boys my age that have become more flourishing actors, and some of them are very good, and some of them are actually not too good. But I'm lucky that I got a few films. I've done about 10 odd films, but I got some really good films. The only
Really good
conscious
one.
decision was to take them and do them. Um, but by now, I wish I had a 500,000 Instagram followers like you, and I wish, um, I wish I
So
had,
since you wish for, universe always fulfills all the good wishes if we are positive. So
absolutely,
inshallah,
yeah.
it shall be fulfilled this year or next year.
Very soon, very soon. I think a few more chats with you, and I'll have all your followers.
For sure. All my followers.
But so sweet. So sweet. Shweta, you and I are in the same building. We need to catch up for a drink.
We should definitely. You know, we always say, but we've never caught up. We always just say hello, hi, and we bump into each other at the lobby. We actually now made a conscious decision to catch up. So we should catch up for a drink and also for the lovely sugar rush,
So,
the beautiful cupcakes and all your wife is making.
yes, so come over. I'm going to invite you this weekend, or actually, this weekend is Raksha Bandhan. She's so phenomenally busy with her orders. Next week, you're coming home, and we'll do wine and desserts.
Definitely. Definitely. Now this is something I'm looking forward to. See, I told you, positive things always happen with Prashant Gupta, so do follow him.
Done. Wine and desserts,
Okay.
and we'll both go live when you come home.
Done. That's another live session which is going to happen very soon, people. So do stay tuned in and we'll check our nets pehle. So you all won't have to have any inconvenience or technical glitches like today. Okay, Prashant, now we're going to have a quick fun session. So I'm going to ask you questions and we're going to play some of this and that. So it has to be role producer poet. In what order?
Done. Bring it on.
How do you rank yourself? Actor, producer, and poet. Rank yourself.
Actor 7, producer 6, poet 9.
Favorite book.
Favorite book? Up from Slavery.
Favorite movie.
Favorite movie? The Godfather.
Favorite show.
Friends.
If you were given the opportunities to spend next 40 hours with anyone, who would it be? You can't mention your family and friends.
Mr. Bachchan. Provided he's
Okay.
negative now.
I was just about to add that.
Provided he's negative. Although, honestly, if he grants me 40 hours, it doesn't matter if he's negative or positive.
Okay. Name the least favorite food.
Least favorite food? Boring khichdi.
तड़का डाल दो अच्छी लगेगी.
I know it has to be. That's why I said boring khichdi with just 2 vegetables and nothing. Not happening.
Least favorite drink.
I don't like vodka.
Least favorite color.
Color. Purple.
If you were on a plane which was boarded with all your celebrities, like colleagues, which one would you like to share a seat with? And it's a long flight.
Sushmita Sen.
Okay. Biggest compliment you've received as an actor?
Why don't you ever look the same again?
This I agree with you. Every time my look is different, I tend to get confused. It took me the longest
Yeah.
time to recognize you.
I enjoy that.
Favorite compliment you've received as a poet?
You take me into your own heart and mind as if I'm sitting there.
Your strongest pet peeve?
I hate arrogance.
Your biggest critic?
Myself.
Motivation to write?
What the universe throws at me.
If reincarnation was happening, which era would you love to be born in?
Beautiful question. Take me back 200-300 years ago, at least. That whole 1700s-1800s. But as an actor, I wish I was an actor of the 1950s and 60s. Dilip Kumar, Raj Kapoor, Guru Dutt era. I wish I was an actor of that era. I swear.
One thing you would like to change in this world?
Don't hurt people emotionally, physically. mentally. Just be nice. More love. More love.
If you could put anywhere, where would you go besides New York?
If I could go anywhere besides New York,
If you could transport anywhere right now, where would you go besides New York?
Switzerland with my wife. Uh, it was her dream that we go there on our honeymoon. I took her to Disney World.
चलो अच्छा ड्रिंक्स पी के ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाना स्विट्जरलैंड.
Switzerland.
Strongest character trait.
I'm a hardcore expressionist. So whether it's my vocals or my heart, I wear it on my sleeve. Strongest character trait: the ability to speak, emote, and communicate.
Okay, now quickly this or that. Popcorn or chocolate?
Chocolate,
Tea or coffee?
coffee,
Nachos or samosa?
nachos,
Romance movie or action?
romance,
Favorite romantic movie?
The Bridges of Madison County.
Oh, I love that movie. I love the book also, actually.
Oh, have you read the book?
Disney or Marvel?
Disney.
I think I have the copy. I'll send you the book.
Please
Disney
do.
or Marvel?
Disney.
Favorite Disney character?
Favorite Disney character? Mufasa.
Musical or science fiction?
Musical.
Favorite musical movie?
Oh, favorite musical movie. Um, that's a tough one. What's that? Singing in the Rain.
Sound of Music?
Sound of
La La Land? Animation or horror?
La La Land is number 2. Animation.
Favorite animated movie?
The Lion King.
So thank you, Prashant, for joining us live. And there we end with a this or that. But we're looking forward for another live session from your house where we're going to enjoy the drinks and the desserts. So thank you so much for joining us live and for sharing the beautiful poems.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, Rohit, too. And to all of you. And Shweta, you're coming home next week.
For sure. And all the viewers here, please do follow Prashant Gupta and you can watch us this entire session on our IGTV too. Take care. See you soon.
Thank you all. See you soon. Bye-bye.